Welcome to the Tech Lab YouTube channel. With the release of Next.js framework version 14.0.1, I embarked on the journey of installation and testing. Along the way, I encountered a few hiccups that I believe others might face as well. That's why I decided to create this video, to share my experience and help fellow enthusiasts like you overcome any hurdles. So, without further ado, let's dive in. As the website recommends a minimum Node.js version of 18 for installing Next.js 1.4.0.1, I went ahead and installed Node.js 20 using NVM. This way, I can maintain compatibility with my older projects running on previous Node.js versions and ensure a smooth transition to the latest Next.js. By the way, NVM is a fantastic tool for effortlessly managing multiple Node.js versions concurrently. If you're interested in a video tutorial on NVM, please don't hesitate to leave a comment in the section below. Now, back to our main focus. I simply followed the step-by-step instructions provided on the Next.js website. It's a breeze to get started. Open up Visual Studio Code, fire up the terminal, and paste this command, npx create next app at latest, /, then hit enter. The period and / indicate that I want to install the Next.js app right here in the current directory. It sounds straightforward, but what unfolds on your computer screen is something you won't want to miss. Curious about my Next.js installation journey? Well, here's the intriguing twist. I initially opted for Node.js version 16 instead of the recommended 20. I proceeded to install the Next app under these settings, and just when things seemed a bit tricky, I made a triumphant switch back to Node.js 20. Follow the on-screen instructions on your computer to complete the setup before the actual installation process begins. Now, let's give that command another shot. npx create next app at latest, /. Follow the installation steps demonstrated in the video and patiently wait for the installation process to finish. My bad. I almost forgot to switch back to Node.js version 20 from 16. Let's correct that oversight and proceed to run our next app. While there might be some potential issues along the way, fear not, simply follow the steps demonstrated in the video, and you'll soon achieve success in the next app installation. As you've likely observed, the folder where I installed the Next app is named Nepal4x API. This installation video is just a glimpse of what's to come in my upcoming series, where I'll guide you through the process of creating an Open4x API using Next.js as the frontend and my trusty MySQL as the backend. Surprisingly, there aren't many resources out there for building APIs with Next.js, so I'm on a mission to change that. If this piques your interest, be sure to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and share it with others who might find it valuable. Voila! Success was mine. It might have been a bit of a roller coaster, but my Next.js app is now up and running smoothly. Your time and attention are truly appreciated. Thank you for watching.